Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today we're doing the unboxing for the latest Disney Beauty and the Beast 3D. This is a 5-disc edition. Let's see here, we have a Blu-ray 3D, regular Blu-ray, Blu-ray special features, DVD of the movie with special features of course, and the disc number 5 is the digital copy. So we have 5 discs in this edition. It has the exact same artwork, but comes in this really nice 3D lenticular slipcover. In the back we have the exact same artwork. So let's open this so I can show you the artwork and everything else. But before I begin, it is region free. So the Blu-ray 3D and the regular Blu-ray is region free. So that's a plus. So let me show you here. Okay, let's put this aside so I can show you. So here we have the Disney Movie Rewards. The usual flyer for the 3D. Here's the Blu-ray guide. So first of all, this is the 3D. Really nice artwork with the big letters there, 3D on top. It says right here ABC. Here we have the regular Blu-ray, also ABC. This is the Blu-ray special features, ABC. Here's the DVD. Of course it is region 1, but it has a different artwork, really nice. And this is the digital copy. Let me give you a close-up of the special features here. It comes with English Master Audio 7.1 as well as Spanish and French Dolby Digital 5.1. And for special features, we have over 5 hours of bonus material. Almost everything is in high definition, and not only that, we have 3 different versions of this film. And we have 3 different versions of this film. One of them is a 92 minutes special extended edition. Just remember, in order for you to watch this movie in 3D, you really need a 3D high definition TV, 3D glasses, and a 3D Blu-ray player. Alright guys, thanks again for watching this video and see you next time.